Today we are making California spring rolls, fresh Vietnamese style spring rolls with a Japanese twist. We use the filling of California sushi rolls and serve with soy sauce and wasabi, just like sushi. This is a delightful appetizer. Ingredients and recipe are on JapaneseCooking101.com. First, cook dried somen noodles according to the package instructions. Instead of Vietnamese vermicelli noodles, we use cooked somen noodles for this recipe. Rinse well under running water, rubbing gently, drain, and set aside. Tear lettuce into large pieces. Cut cucumber into thin sticks. Japanese, Persian, or English cucumber works well for this. Peel avocado and vertically slice into 8 pieces. Lightly dip a rice paper in water. Don't soak it for too long, and immediately lay it on a cutting board. On the rice paper, place a couple of pieces of lettuce, some somen noodles, and masago or tobiko. These are tiny fish eggs usually used in California roll sushi. You can find them in Japanese or Asian market. Cucumber stick, avocado, Japanese mayo, and place a crab stick. Top with small pieces of lettuce. Then you can just roll up by hands carefully to make a log. Cut each roll into 4 pieces, just like a sushi roll, and serve right away with soy sauce and wasabi to dip. California spring rolls offer a fresh taste and pleasing texture contrast. Enjoy these fresh rolls as a starter or light meal, especially in warmer weather. If you like California roll sushi, you should definitely try this.
美味しい。美味しいね。